Hello everyone. I am Hadris with WTI and with this so cute necklace of stars.
I really love how it decorates my entire neck with these cute little stars. I'm used to wearing it a lot because I love it. It's also very easy to put on. It has the common clasp like gold chains. I like how it reflects in the sunlight because the gold color makes it look super pretty. I also love that it's not very long. It can be adjusted with the clasp, but I like that it is used right. So that each star is in a good place. Also, if we have a friend who likes stars, this will be a very nice gift.
And this is my point of view.